Picture this. Within your body, countless cells are engaging in a high-stakes battle. Their survival depends on striking the right balance between self-destruction and catastrophic death. Get ready to explore the fascinating processes that control life and death at the cellular level: apoptosis and necrosis. Cell death may appear to be a bad thing, but in the complex world of biology, it's an essential component in preserving balance and health. This is where our two stars of the day, necrosis, a type of traumatic cell death, and apoptosis, better known as planned cell death, come into action. Apoptosis is like an organized retirement party for a cell. After serving its goal or identifying an internal problem, the cell starts a series of actions to neatly disassemble itself. This process is highly regulated and doesn't inflame or harm the tissues around it. It is necessary for several physiologic processes, including embryogenesis, immune system operation, and the elimination of potentially hazardous damaged cells. Necrosis, on the other hand, is more like a cell's untimely demise due to injury or disease. It's a messy, uncontrolled process that frequently causes inflammation and can potentially harm nearby cells. Think about it as a house catching on fire and potentially spreading that fire to neighboring houses. To make these concepts easier to grasp, let's consider some real-life examples. Have you ever wondered why your fingers develop separately from each other in the womb? Well, the cells between your developing digits undergo apoptosis. This programmed cell death allows for the separation and precise formation of each finger. On the flip side, consider the situation where you get severe frostbite. The extreme cold causes your cells to die abruptly, leading to necrosis. This results in inflammation, pain, and potential tissue damage, which are the hallmark symptoms of frostbite. Now, why is understanding apoptosis and necrosis so important for healthcare students? Well, dysregulation in these processes is associated with many diseases. For instance, decreased apoptosis can lead to cancer. Where damaged cells should self-destruct, they don't. Instead, they proliferate, leading to tumor formation. Increased apoptosis, on the other hand, is seen in neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's, where healthy neurons self-destruct, leading to cognitive decline. Necrosis, with its associated inflammation, plays a big role in conditions like heart disease. In a heart attack, for instance, the interruption of blood flow leads to a lack of oxygen and nutrients for the heart muscle cells, causing them to die via necrosis. The resultant inflammation and damage may spread to surrounding cells and contribute to the severity of the heart attack. So, apoptosis and necrosis, two different pathways of cell death, are fundamental to understanding many aspects of health, disease, and treatment strategies. Remember, the more we understand about the human body, the better healthcare providers we become. I'll see you again soon.